All right, guys, so as you can see, we have the Yita motor Tanye cover, and it is basically a cover for the 2021 Ford F150, and you can get it on Amazon. So I will be leaving the link down below in the description so that you can go ahead and check it out and get your very own. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this. Now there you guys see it. It is in a bag wrapped in there. Let's go ahead and open it, see how it looks. So there you guys have it, and let me just straighten this out. As you guys can see, it is pretty cool, and it's kind of like that. So I do want to go ahead and say that when you open the package, this is how it should look on the truck. After this one, I am going to go ahead and read the instructions, so we're going to go step by step. And then you have included, which looks like adhesive tape. So that's one of the things that came, and they include a light, so that's kind of cool. Yeah, so let's go ahead and install it right now. So I do want to go ahead and mention one thing really quick is this cover. I only opened it so that you guys can see how it looks, but you're supposed to install it with it closed the way it comes. So it came buckled up, and that is the way that we're going to be installing this product here. So let me just go ahead and do that again, and then we'll set it up on the truck. All right, guys, so just to get started, step one is to go ahead and clean this, so that you can get your adhesive tape and set it on there, and that way it'll just be more secure to the bed of the truck. So you go ahead and clean that. I'm gonna show you the result right now. All right, guys, so that takes care of step one. Right there. Now that you have your foam on there, you can go ahead and get this and put it towards the front. Okay, guys, so now that we have the cover on there, we have to put it all the way to the front, and what we're going to do is fold it out this way. That's what the instructions say. So next thing to do is unbuckle this thing right here, this thing right here. So what we're gonna do, okay guys, just want to mention one thing really quick. These, you will be using them, so you have to take them off from here, so don't look for them in a bag or anything like that. These will come this way, so just remember to take these off, and that way you can get these, because these are going to be clamped right here. Mechanism, so you can see there. So what we're gonna do is just slide this over, pick this up, make sure this is up, and then it can slide over to the space that is required. So now we can go ahead and do this, and now we just we screw this way. Now in the instructions, just make sure that it's like that, and it's not like all the way over here, or on that last slot. So for this is a 2021 Ford F150 crew cab, so this is the middle one is perfect for it. It's just like perfect. So once you got the sand down, it's secure, it's not gonna move anywhere. I have it kind of loose because I want to see if I have to like come forward or backwards, but other than that, guys, so far very solid product, so I'm very happy with that. And let me go ahead and do this one as well, but I'm not going to bore you with that. So let's just... Okay, guys, so once you have this secure, it should look like that. There we go. So now you can go ahead and unfold this way. Okay, and then I just want to mention, like, the other thing, just kind of chop the cardboards like that. Cardboard pieces, and these are the ones for the rear, somewhere around this area. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm gonna open the tailgate right now, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, so now all we have to do is just fold it out. So we're gonna go ahead and like this. It's pretty light, so it's not like you're going to, you know, have a hard time unfolding this. Let me just go check over here, see what's going on here. All right, guys, so we do have these things here, and this has the same mechanism that moves, you know, as long as you hold this up, you can move it to the slots, the desired slots, and there. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I did here. So I kind of slid this all the way to the outer one, and this you can turn it around, but so I can get clearance from here. And this folding piece, I'm going to turn this way, put this down, and once we're here, it connects there, and all you need to do is voila, there you go, that's it. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the same for the other side, but I'm not gonna bore you with that, guys, so let's go ahead and do it, and then I want to show you the final product. So once you have it on there, you can go ahead and just fold it up. And there is one thing that is very important about this that I want you guys to, when you're gonna fold it up, just make sure that you fold these like this and they're flush. Let me go ahead and show you here, like that. And then once you're ready, go ahead and snap it on here like that, buckle it up. The instructions say do not drive with it like half folded, because what can happen, I'm assuming, is air gets in it, and you know, then you'll have it fly away. And not only that, but then you'll damage this right here. So for sure, you know, try to follow instructions when it comes to this. If they say what they say, it's usually because they already tested the product, and you know, it's just better to follow the instructions, and then you won't have a defective product a lot quicker than it should. So, all right, everyone, so this is basically the product installed. So let's go ahead and take a look here. Pretty cool. Very I like it. It's very sleek. They do sell, of course, other ones, but I like this one. It's lightweight. It doesn't add a lot of weight to the vehicle. So say you need to carry something that's gonna have to pop out of the cargo area, you can always just fold it up and then remove it. It's just a simple screw-on screw process mechanism. So it's pretty convenient as well, and you have good clearance too when you're trying to close the tailgate as well. So that's another plus on this product. Just maintenance wise, I would think, you know, you can like put some leather protectant or something so that it can protect it from the sun if it's going to be out in the elements. If you're going to have a garage, there's not an issue with that. But I do want to let you guys know,